Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add TubeBuddy on your Google Chrome extension. So guys, today in this time, TubeBuddy is one of the best helping site for your YouTube journey or YouTube life. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add TubeBuddy on your Google Chrome extension. So let's get started our video. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. Then you should go to on the top three button of the top right corner. Look at this there. Then tap it. After that, go to on the down settings option. Look at this there. Have a settings option. Just tap it. Okay guys. After that, you should scroll down or on the left side on the down you get extension option. Look at this, there have a extension option. Just tap it. Okay guys, now it's open your Google Chrome extension page and there have a list which one you add on your Google Chrome extension. I have lot of extension, but now I want to add TubeBuddy. So guys, now you should go to this corner, just click it. Then on the down you go to open Chrome Web Store, just tap it. Okay guys, then your Chrome Web Store is open now. Look at this, and you should search here for TubeBuddy. T-U-B-E, Tube. Look at this, TubeBuddy. Just search it. Now look at this, it's open and you can search it. TubeBuddy for YouTube. Everything is same. Just first on you should add first on, just tap it. And now look at this, your TubeBuddy is open here and there have a lot of rules and regulation. You can watch this video how to add and everything. You should read carefully, and its latest version and update it November 18 2020 and its size is 16.98 megabyte. Okay guys, then add. If you want to add, just tap it, add to Chrome, click it, and then you should click add extension. It's checking now, it's now downloading. Wait for 16 or 18, maybe 18 MB, no 16 MB. Wait for 16 MB downloading. So guys, this is one of the best website for your YouTube journey. So guys, if you are starting your YouTube, so TubeBuddy is most important for you. So guys, it's almost download 15 16. Now adding my extension. Now it's add on my extension. I will check you that. Go to settings, then extension. Look at this, it's TubeBuddy now. So guys, in this way you can add your TubeBuddy on your Google Chrome extension. So guys, if you get more benefit from watching my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching.